Hey, happy spring, everyone. It's that time of year again. We're ramping up for the Colorado Garden and Home Show. It's going to be running from February 23rd through March 3rd. We will be at the event on Saturday, March 2nd from 9 to 6. That's 9 to 6 at the Colorado Garden and Home Show. If you have not received your tickets yet, you should have gotten them in the mail. If you need more, if you know someone that needs them, you can use them anytime you want. You don't have to meet us on the 2nd. What we normally are doing is if we meet you on the floor, find you there, you give us a call. We've got some free giveaways and stuff we've always been doing in the past. Kind of fun thing to do. So once again, we're going to be there on March 2nd. That's a Saturday, running from 9 until 6. If you need more tickets, give me a call, give me a text, or give me an email. It's free entry for the Garden and Home Show. Looking forward to seeing you there. Looking forward to seeing you all. If you need any tickets, need anything else, anything to do with real estate, give myself or Allison a call or text. Thanks. Have a great day.